Turn on or off automated FAQs on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off automated FAQs on your page. Easy and quick. So first then go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now click on those three lines and go to your page. Now all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there and click on page info. Now all you need to do is click on not page info, I mean messaging. Click on it. Now you have the first option, which is automated FAQs to introduce a new customer to your business by starting chats with shortcuts to frequently asked questions. Turn it off or on wherever you want. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.